Hey guys, what's up? Today I have 4 different slimes here. We have Amazing Slime XL. We have some Nickelodeon slime, 2 of them, one teal, one neon purple, and we have Amazing Slime XL, World's Stretchiest Slime. These things are the same, just different colors. So these have just been sitting in my closet, so we're gonna see if they're still good. So we're gonna start with the it's hard to open. Okay, so first we got the purple one. Oh, it's gooey, but overall, it's okay. I promise you guys, this has been in my closet. It's pretty good. I mean, if I would say for some that's been sitting in my closet, I'd say that's pretty darn good. I'm gonna bet that this is probably gonna be really good too. I'm not gonna pull it out though. Yeah, that's really good. So those slimes, these have been sitting for, I think, a year. Those have been sitting for like months. Those guys. So we're going to be sitting these ones. And then my next video is on these rocks. So yeah. Let's open up this. Oh, that has... There we go. This is like weird. It's like, it feels rubbery. Do you see all these sparkles on it? It doesn't feel hard. It's like kind of feels like snow. Do you look at it? It's like rubbery snow. Let's put this back in there. Here's the one that it looks so slimy. So let's start. Oh, okay. I don't want this. Okay, no, I really. It's pretty cool. Dang it, it's on my desk. Alright, but here we go. We got all this hopefully off my desk. Just gonna stir it. Alright, I did the right bit away, it's fun. Okay, so now I have the slime. I don't really want to put this on my desk. I can already tell it's gooey. Look at that. I know it kind of looks beautiful, but it's gooey. It's like stuck on my desk now. Like, look at that, guys. Literally stuck on my desk. Kind of good now. So we're gonna lift it off. Okay, so I'll just take care of it later. Okay, guys. So I will see you in the next video for all the rocks. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.